Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iCloud sync not working after iOS 27 update on iPhone. So if your contacts, notes, reminders, files and other iCloud data stop syncing after updating to iOS 27, don't panic. Right after a major update, your iPhone performs several background tasks and during that time, iCloud syncing may be slow or stop temporarily. In most cases, this is only a syncing issue and not problem with your data. So let's go through a few fixes that can help restore iCloud syncing. So to start with, make sure your iPhone is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network because iCloud works much more reliable over stable internet connection, and also keep your iPhone connected with a power while if your battery is running low, since some background syncing tasks may be delayed when low power is enabled. Now, if your data is still not syncing, the next thing you should try whether iCloud is enabled. To do that, open settings on your iPhone. Now tap to your Apple ID at the top of the screen and here go to iCloud. Now tap to drive and then make sure sync this iPhone is turned on. If it was already enabled, then disable it once and turn it back on to refresh the sync. But if the issue continues, restarting your iPhone can also help you because it restarts the background service responsible for iCloud communication, and once your iPhone turn on, it may start syncing to iCloud. Now another thing worth checking is Apple's iCloud services. Sometimes the issue is not at your iPhone at all and Apple services may be experiencing a temporary outage. If that's the case, you'll simply need to wait until Apple resolves this service. And one last thing I'd recommend to check whether a newer iOS update is available. Apple frequently release small updates after a major iOS release to resolve bug affecting iCloud syncing and system stability. So go to main system settings page and here scroll a bit and go to general. Now click on software update and if any newer update available, install it, and after your iPhone restart, check whether iCloud syncing is started working again or not. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.